Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Logitech keyboard into Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to pair your laptop with your Logitech keyboard. How do you actually go ahead and put this into pairing mode? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what we're first going to do is that we're going to turn our laptop on. Now, for this Logitech keyboard specifically, in order to turn it into Bluetooth pairing mode, all you've got to do is hold one of these three buttons. So for example, if you hold down the number 1, you're going to wait until it starts blinking white, and that indicates it's now in Bluetooth pairing mode. So if I go over onto my MacBook, you can see here that under Bluetooth devices, we have MX keys, which we can actually go ahead and connect to. And so there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put your Logitech keyboard into Bluetooth pairing mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.